of your cancer. Hello. From London.
Hello.
Hello, Kaji.
Hello.
Hello, come, Mama.
Mommy, you're at top bay. Oba top bay.
He said.
Mommy, happy birthday. Celebrate. Mommy, me caru way me lay.
Who were they level? What's on what?
Yeah, I lay me. Oh, who you pay bride price? Yeah, what total? I pay bride price for your head though. You know, say I pay bride. I shall walk. No, mother wa me basha wo me acha wo one shot back ya jo mother wa me basha o kwasha washa wo me ona me call it one na we washa wo no do bugo ya sha wo mo mi ato wa me to ma itu okpe ya iwa ahia straight yi le dian oh we na boyfriend igbina e glass wo wa me ze gbina glass na do go ho ke na we fie mi gbe glass na go ho I ha me yu pon gbe to tere Mawa awa so budget mina. What he says on any him no sunu. I said, power 2 minutes on it to him, you will la wo. Owa dikwe la hekwi, ye man no sunu. 3 minutes of it was moving. Oh, one la whom ever here do le, my me on la wame. Oh, one me on one way wapa. Oh, what did they come to? Me on to one. Oh, just a miani akba. Oh, was one so any say po here, where, oh, where me watch all saying, well, my dear, well, la ho. Do I the only must say, do when he had to po here. I have no sunu ezo ware. Ige se pe o wa jere ka send call we doc na we ya se ko di me ona wa fi ya. E ba ko material hin ogware na ya e ba ko mati come away. Ite ware mi ni fie yo gwa na wa fi ya. O wa me ba ko motor de ba ko ya wo try go we. Ize wo na ta me wo je o apa. E fo me and think. O we pe ya call no bani back ni e go ma no call. Ni me na o ma no call. Ene do ti e carabinieri na ni ala wo ga Megi yesi. Dere ma gbina mana su gbina at 7 o'clock mana stop with 5. Me ajimuna. Yajimuna wo wi eni. Eri carabinieri yare na we na la wo ma gwi ima we no wa arrest ma wa no de hebe. Me asi ogo na after mo te me nyawa. Ina no de hebe. Eri ya discharge o. Ina do ya mo ki e na nini akumi akpa ogo mo na ga asa. Eri ya discharge o sa ba ke do heru we. I mommy otofu pere no oya manoru we fire we fire agbona na wa mi fire we aro wodo so fire ma se we o manoru akpon no wu uwa o mani wu no wetin yera akpon because wetin you mo anwola we pe nothing imagine o mano hama wa to gbina trata na ye to bi ara ye besun gbina o salo pa mo te yi ogbo te ko ba so
Oma wesi.
Ikpeso rede amagba rede ikpeso magba. Awe wa fi pan eno la ni hu me mai.
Una friend
e Morocco.
Una friend eri oka ajia, wo friend e.
Na, o ma je veri o. O je me ya la we bi ahe wo.
No wa fi wori e wo pa be onyi me wo magba no na fi.
O je me believe ge because Okari Oku Ria na donation 21 times. Me had the fear of when you change name na Salobo wago ogele change ne or change akwe or change akwe ijemi ahi wala ogwa ye wa pay bride price no ye na wado ki ne ni kio ye na wado ye na ke na fin gwebiri aka pay bride price ne ni di tena we iberio. I wanna want me when I not see when I always near what when I can't tell me go my way home and war.
Jesus.
Mommy, I tell you, I wouldn't swear I was still thanking my baby for one moment.
Here, marriage. Hello, God bless you from Jamie.
Hello, mommy.
Society where all the room we are. Hello. Huh?
Hello.
Hello, ọ̀rọ̀ we gbe a.
Hello.
Hello, you get to ọ̀rọ̀ we gbe a cause a message na my eta na testimony me sun e.
Hello.
Ọ̀rọ̀ we gbe a. Imagine no ta. Hello. Ọma no e go rin e gbo oko. A testimony me sun e.
3.
Hello, testimony me sun. Ba e go ọ̀rọ̀ we gbe mi o gogo.
Mommy jore atokpe.
Ise o site we. Hey.
Come mommy. Mommy aru we. Oge meti be ya beg be mewa. Okay pa wa lo se camera yo so. Mama me uji pu bi aja wa day. 3 years of marriage or pay a year and 4 months ago. Ìjẹ́ ti wẹ̀rẹ̀ dọ́pá náà fẹ́nà ya pa náà ní èrì tó lè gba prize wà ìgbékejì ọkọ̀ mi.
Èyí ó wá sẹ́tẹ̀ kámẹ́rà jò wọ́ wọ́ hí apá.
Ìyí ọ́fẹ́fẹ́ kámẹ́rà yóò sọ̀rọ̀. Ọ́fẹ́fẹ́ voice record yóò sọ̀rọ̀. Yàyà dẹ́mi ìbẹ̀ sọ mákẹ́tì a problem náà. Àwọn ẹgbẹ́ tó pè àwọn ẹgbẹ́ tó kú. Àwọn ẹgbẹ́ tó pè á o. Ìwọ́n rí àrùwẹ̀ ìrí ọ̀pọ̀ àyàn tó bọ́ ìpà. Ìdènà yá bẹ́ẹ̀ yà gbẹ̀mẹ́ wà ìfúta 3 days ìpé hospital. Ìwà fún wọn náà wà pa, ìwọ́n náà bá àwọn òwe wọ̀dúró pé 200 náà wà rí pa. Àwọn yà gbé 6 months ìwòye. Yẹn wà òwà náà, àmárè ìwẹ́ ní ẹni forgive ẹ̀. Ọ̀kẹ́ wẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ dò pa ẹ̀rí bó ti yẹ̀rí wí nẹ̀. Náà wà ní ẹ̀mẹ́ bẹ̀ yẹn àrí ẹ̀yìn àti rẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀fì náà. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi lọ́sọ̀rọ̀ ìwà náà, yẹn tó bọ́ àwọn yóò bọ́ ìwọ̀ yà pa. Ègbékè ọkọ̀ rẹ̀ náà ìkọ́lé àwọn wẹ́nẹ̀ ẹ̀dì sọ ní Black Friday. Ọkọ̀ kò mú un ọ̀rẹ́ wọn lẹ́kẹ̀ èyí kọ́lé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni àyà fìyàn ẹ̀ náà. Àwọn akáyí mà ní kò é máa ìtì àyà wíkẹ̀dì máma ẹ̀. Ní àgé mà ní kò tó wíkẹ̀dì.
Wàdàmì wà wípé àwọ̀ wà sí ẹ̀ ní àníkò náà tó wíkẹ̀dì rẹ̀ bí mi wà wíyàn yìí.
Àwọn ipò é máa èmi pé àwọ̀ kò é máa mà ẹ́. Bíkọ́ kẹ́ ìpì àyà àkà òkò wíyàn mi dà. Ọ̀rẹ́ máa wá ní àwọ̀ kò é. Ọ̀rẹ́ mi náà wà rí èfó ọkọ̀ lè mà bọ́ ẹ́. Èrí ẹ̀ mẹ́sì ṣíwó tọ́ o. Afẹ́ ní ọ̀wà bó mú ẹ̀ ọgwọ̀rọ̀ ìwé. Náà wá sọ̀rọ̀ ní ẹ̀ máa mà. Iná miscarriage 4 months iná yẹ Nàìjíríà. Ọ̀gbẹ́ni ya lórí ẹ̀sẹ̀ prophecy. Èrí ya lórí ẹ̀kọ́ bó ọmọ ní sergeant wẹ̀. Did you imagine? Ẹ̀pẹ́ 4 months ó pọ́nà wá disappear.
Ọmọ wẹ́sì.
Wẹ́sì mọ mi náà wẹ́sì ọ̀rẹ́ làbíà káwọ́ ọmọ àdá. Ọ̀rẹ́ dáadáa ọ̀rẹ́ gbé.
Wà á dáadáa ọmọ àdá. Ìwé ní bí a dá mi èmi náà sunu òwe máa wà á dá mi èmi náà sunu. Èmi náà sí single mother wà nákínà. Hello site wẹ̀.
Mọ̀mí yóò rí àtọ́pẹ́. Ọwọ́ rẹ̀ arí mẹ́gbẹ́. Ọ̀rí ìgbẹ̀rẹ̀ tẹ̀wò. Ìyá gbímẹ̀ hospital mẹ́nàrí ọ̀rẹ́ ọ̀bẹ́ sànà ọ̀bí ẹ̀rọ kìíní. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ ni mẹ́pà. Ghana must go. Ina mo we no ko ye. Uwe Ghana must go. Ina mo no pariwo ni yale.
Una mo we you Ghana must go yale.
O me idea ne. Omo no mo say friend na dey talk to you so. The senior one 3 years plus ina ho you we Ghana must go. The small boy ina mo ye ke ni yale.
O wa gbo.
Hey, ọmọ náà gbímẹ́gbí mọ́ náà fẹ́ǹsì ọ̀nà fi ẹ̀mẹ́ fún wa ọ̀nà fi mẹ́fù àmẹ́nà fẹ́ǹsì emir of the village Abuja ekelimara ayé ní amado rush ní àárín hospital àwọn ìpè à.
Jesus Christ.
Tẹ́tí wọ́n ẹ̀ máa mi.
Now where you Ghana must go yale.
You we Ghana must go yale. Iga mo moto mutiabo de we ni amume ya o e amume. Machine me yale. Ya ke ma ari edo ina la machine yale. Ke yo mi moto no mumele.
Ko o sa ti wo o sa ma we se.
Okay, mom yeri atokpe.
O ma be ye be ruwe ya. Kwa bege mi no see single mother. Awe inu kuema ebo egbeku no ohonu ugba obi e fi were gbe. Hello from Spain.
Hello mi yera talk me.
Ise o site where you do.
Come yera ta ri megbe o but ogo me ma lead to marriage. I do separate. Ọ̀rọ̀ ìpàṣẹ gbèrègbèrè ìjọ èfò ìyẹn àtọ́ká èfò náà yíyẹn bọ́ ti yẹn pé ìwẹ́rí bọ́ kan wẹ́ ọ̀hàrí ọ̀bọ́ kan kọ́ wẹ́ tí ó pè à ọ̀hàrí ọ̀bọ́ kan fọ́ ọwọ́ pè à ugwu ṣáàtì so that kind of person yọ mẹ́rẹ́ náà yẹ ẹ̀ but only mama really to marriage my na separate this is the person náà ké Nàìjíríà mú mẹ́rin ọ̀rẹ́ Nàìjíríà máa treat ní bad but it's a Europe amáwẹ́ ni ya agbáṣáwó.
Ọ̀pẹ̀ ọ̀nà mú wẹ́ àti ẹ̀nàwẹ́ mú wẹ́ ya agbáṣáwó.
Claro.
De que no go na agbacha go be Spain ba.
Oh, Italy o.
Owa mu wa ade no go nu do agbacha wo da fun we.
I got for me o ma mu go yo mo o. O mo mu go yo o. So why are you thank God they mama lead to marriage.
Okay. O sa we se off we. Hello from Spain. So either direct big bia. Hello. He's from Italy.
One mommy.
Yeah.
Mommy you said you.
3,
But you got wrong again they say mommy. We are no calling me. Only you only not give a testimony like anywhere. Oga le where I want to recover for how many months. Egbe na do right now to give a testimony. Then you le less mommy. My so wa. Eke pe ọkàn mi. Ọwà akọ lóko. Ọwọ́ no go do it my. You both come o. Ọwọ́ ne go do it my. All promise so to help. Even here marry. Then you le less. Abi ye keke ni. Yeah. Ọwọ́ no go do it my. Ọwọ́ no go ni send.
Ọwọ́ no go ni send any kindness gi ade. You both come we wa.
Na yo boy come won gele send nakedness here. Oh God, oh we mean ye oh yen ya go crazy. Oh ye o ma admire me there. Iga kwen megbe ga gbe na wugbe. Oh we dey nu gbe ba. O te wo we mosia. E dey your mind not bokeke. O te wo we mosia ani me ka mo money bi yo be me my piene o money ga amane kwe 7 months. O gian e se wu for salo bomu diame. O salo bomu diame. Me my win your re ya we on here love ye kene se for me no wan you wunu okay love ye kene mo mi yere o salo bo mu dia me igi pan yo boy de ke dia am yo gogo e tem yo gogo o agun me kwa mo wa omo me no gbe me ni bie ye bie no ma me wan jo mo ni kwa mo wa o we bedside no bia me be omo na hina o tama mo those things i si ai ne mo mi kya mo gogo be ni bio ya le lese Imi no ya pay many so it be a wicked pe mom it be so wow it's so wicked they are very very wicked in ya zen ni ko na me order in ya see ni ko na order you go tell me simple mind pe you go give me simple mind but they so see ni ko na me order mommy it's okay so eri ga ma treat me e ke see a e ka mo go Megi de ko ma be ne na me ma wo pe agba wo ma wo pe ayo ko ya go me my experience the life in there Megi de ko ma be ne na ike do am go so eri oye mom yo ra talk pe we se de pe me
wa ya we se hello God bless you from Jamie.
Yeah, mom yo ra talk pe
He said omeru we gbe a e ma go gwan yo no ro egbe wo to we won ra me
No, yeah, mommy.
Ro egbe ene ro egbe no wa e ro egbe who call it there ro egbe get call this program is from an ro egbe who ga hope be on ro egbe to we who ga hope on ro egbe to we everybody have to
Mommy you understand yeah mommy you understand it am even ya quantity and you understand but when you wa ya ta pick at least you have ya
ama we bia ya no we be mi ataba we ipieso na 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 kana we na ke gwa vie yo brother na be se no be vie ba iya ma gwa ya we so ogi me ma we me be yo mi ami ogi me na gogo o we ipieso brother ma gwa ya no oni me be se no be vie ba we ba me stand no call ba na we ipieso wicked gbe Ana me be se no wa vie ba. Hello, God bless you. What can you tell my dear? Hello. What can you tell my dear? Una e wuru we brother we agogo. Wo saloba we say you make character na. Hello, God bless you from Italy.
Mommy, okay. Mommy, you're at up there.
He said
Mommy, you are a me gbe but let's say marry bien no ya yin agwa wi ya we bo but me be on that mommy ga wi ya imana iya ele ni ya moko because mostly ami ya na ge abi ya so hello
madam yo
Ari di mana mommy le 40 ma mama gbe ma money me ma de money me ato ma wa money me ma wa ready to marry but wa do ga money me ya so say de le go ye you understand me then so they take in wa ye a marriage wa ya hama they just take marriage in wa mi owo yin wa go okay, come meet me. And you have a plan. You want to have a plan, and just to you want use the blessing where you are shining me and you are blessing. Many souvent vous savez souvent mostly amia ni tiale mare bonya de le care souvent you doit take marriage you we don wa so wa me where you dey come meet me the day when you come my house I go fuck you I go direct I go put twins for inside you go born so what money get a ring you can want me marriage you can want me marriage no what where in me phone number me now go serious really phone number you way not my be call on block me
when no me go dey call no block you
when me phone number me now go serious me now when me phone number me make na where or serious me make na judge or where dating ma serious or we here cholera here college here cholera me so you serious me who we ogwalo so wa raw abi ku oben wa me when they get sense I use most of it now they can pretend for you because easy ga boost you want to tip you want pretend they just do innocent face mommy you want innocent face like maybe where they are good. So what wrong do just so they find what you do your mouth anything real. Also another tell you past tense relationship in my all those new relationship every man only the gene I use it against our women. You know they are punish our women the now. Eki eruka ta eruka gbashawo eruka wona eruka date ye 5 years turning man.
Okay. Only wow when ona wa block you we.
No, serious, mommy. Area yawu. What time away? Give me your papa number. Give me your mama number. Give me your mama number. My call me no say I dey serious. Me no say I ready. Me when in guy ina when no marry ye phone number naka run. Ma can understand it bin o me ya we na carry phone no be jevene ona we college me who we ogwa ona we if you are not like you if you are not love you want 10 euro 5 euro in we give me your papa number your phone no be me your phone no be rame ni ye call no make na we dey serious o when you what when you wa gwa you wa when in do ata we again na so you know you be ashawo na so this one ruya eri money me eri waje mommy hello. Mommy, you're not what hammer, when not her, the door of your door, or what some or give a of each of your door in your yagbo. Or when your man, when him and our way, him and did you wear a fair penny, or we are married who we both.
Okay, I beg you.
Oh, wait, you know where Jesus now, my beggar now. If we might home, and not get away, now it's a low boy, God forbid. Awaking na deju wenye nye ha no nye ge no masse ne we here mo so down we afefe before you came you not be responsible nye here mo go jo mommy can you imagine that then a born in China angele no all of your corner or mweko so do abega people na no do ahin single mother ari bi ma we bonya ma serious mommy here ma serious when you wa gwaro they no your whole 2030 bienia they don't care.
Oma society we only no wa wo nani no wa block you when e adoko ya ti ju ene o
okay ya ti jere na osi ya wa gumegbu osi e Nigeria mi wa leni ya obo we mi wa leni ya ngbe so no wa te gumegbu no du mi wa ugwa iwe na eto na hian le do re na ete for one na eto hian le do play me na ina God forbid ngbe so ya wa gumegbu baby I love you baby this come and see me Verona come and see me in Napoli. But so do we because Oriomegi seto. Uduwe Oriomegi seto iwa bi aneru baba ona le iwe matabe to ona e matabe tanana abi ohebe no abi matabe no abi ohebe no eri me emeni ya ita igbe so ibi ase ohebe no because ni emeni ya ita no hi agume jaji ero There's nothing man can tell me even Nigeria man maybe a 1 million or honor ya honor sagripa there's nothing he can tell me today here I believe error because me I feel most of time also no you want me now maybe this is what this serious relationship now no you want me my man can study could be why you marry for no bela me jemene e so ya tanya ka wa marriage could down. Dear may wear, give me your papa number. Introduction, sorrow, or one with introduction or you who would be a hand, a man will your own better introduction. A sorrow, I guess your who. See your quad of your van and we will join.
Oh my God.
Yeah. A sorrow who said, or you get or maybe be a near or high be a may hand be a may van. Maybe a family in the girl now, or Aaron in the girl, or Asian in the girl, who, yeah, maybe in a family in the game, do attend up, another me was another way, no near tier, no quartier, or that way. Other way, area, working make a call with another person, area this one, a year, I say, you wow, area, I make a play, I make a naya way, name a naya, say, where is so tall, or wine. Yahweh. Yeah. One mega report you complain, but so aware this one because mega am there on almost 2 days ago. Not where I be 3 days ago now. No we a biome on your car biome va biome haje yovene. No work biana. Yeah, or they tell wo man. No way a family of that here. No do mu go jion. No we tell la mama ujere. Ujere Yahweh. Maybe you why get family again now who or because I wear a family again here, not those sit not the way beria, not the we go you home. If I am a complete and way a mean walking here, a me walking here, walking here or work or Guamare call or Yare or call aha, Nemeke now with anything the necessary to maybe Negbe Benohu. Near what near make now where a give excuse or say who wa here be wa here kawaka be mapa wa hamo yani no me go because one of your maybe God forbid nana maybe or eroma na let nana because they need your you need a family you need that way maybe o here do wune yani where area wonyi me ye karata ha na make now where Mama women ta.
Iwa magwa.
Ewa no.
Ma wese.
Eri ewa we.
Wese o.
Mommy we o re jona le advice abiku. O ko no je mopa. Be no for so da fun no we marriage. Because in here a family na the girl, ere ne the girl or who. Era yan do a excuse latin. Iya do bring excuse. Iya we ere the girl ma o. Ere ne me ka bi o me va yo be ne so yen seti mi go jo. So they tell take a plan. E seti ere ya wa mommy wa jo na advice abiku. Abiku ma they to ka bi ye va no ni mami. So you have to no me marry.
3.
Hello, God bless you. Here me.
Mommy, God bless you, mommy.
God bless you. I'm a little bit better. I'm not a bit of one. Now people wait day.
Hello, mommy.
Give
Me I talk now.
Now we're going back.
Mommy, in the or let me just use English so that people will understand it.
Hello, madam.
Okay. Mommy, when I come here, I jam one girl, and I be person this year. I like to that I plan my life. I like see I plan my life with woman. That is good reasoning. And I meet this lady. We talk. I think that's okay. I don't like prostitute though. If you women say they do prostitute, please let me know. Let me just know, please. She may do prostitute at all. She may do never.
Okay, that is good.
Mommy, are you hearing me?
Yes, we are hearing you.
Okay, now, because now I come, come meet. Then I left my city. I go her house, and this lady, mommy, She has documents. Me, I don't get documents. I won't lie. Are you hearing me?
Yes. Get ties.
Okay. Is it a wage? You was a wage. No, Rakota, in the of it, he just dressed saying they go work. Ah, my love, which work you say go? Which work they go? He's saying they go road. But you tell me they do road work. I'm not going to, as they come on this house, come meet me the next day if they come. Meet me. Said that she come that she basically had a joke. Before she come out, I know say I sleep this conversation that day, find the next evaluations, come out, go house. Then she call, and I say, I don't have any. What I want to say is this. If you do, I shall me not fear you. It's just the truth. But you see, let me go to the talk now. I say, okay, no, me don't chop money. I say, if you want naira, you want euro, you didn't give it to me. That's how I live, mommy. Okay. So it's not everybody that should know this. They should, maybe they should watch. When they watch, when they look. When they watch first, what the person I want to pull up for ma or marry the man. All right, mommy.
Okay, when going up Biatana, I want waka bogi, wakera harani biagwana. Hello.
Hello, good evening, ma.
Hey, God bless you from France.
Yes, mommy, I've been wanting to contribute for this thing when they
not be contribute. If you not there your body, no need to contribute.
Yes, you see happen to me. I want you to talk my own experience.
Okay.
Because the man when they follow that time, he can't tell me say,
lower your side, not the one where they watch me. Lower your side. Lower your side, lower that side.
Okay. Because the woman bad now, I say because they use marriage, they deceive my enemy. Say, make her come. I can't travel, I can't go meet them. After I don't get belly for and finish, he can't begin the maltreat me. As consequence, say the picking not gonna stay, come for. Now come out. Is that the mama you can't hate man, no you can't like any relationship for man, you can't run for them. Because they're not good, they deceive women. They say women when they Europe now fool, they not get sense. They treat women like say they not get sister or they not get mother. When they say they treat us for Europe, mama is not good. Now they not tell our women to single mother finish. They say they not get character, they not get respect, and now they are fault. And I want to see now. I just say my sister talk. People see the talk because it happened to me. Now so he come they beat me for junction for road. He say I not get character. He say 2 o'clock in the night he open doors. Then I come outside for where I don't know anybody.
And the demand they beat you where?
Yes. They beat me 2 o'clock in the night. You go put them, go say I did disturb. Make I come outside.
And you don't already born one picky for her.
Oh, I began the mama the pele come. It's not your school. I see your school. And I saw you take carry my bag now come out. But now, cause you don't get another man. No, another man. You're there alone. I beg. I don't need my put me for my life.
No, you don't like man again because of the way they treat you.
Yes, because you treat me by you deceive me. Woman when you want to pick for her, you not stay with her. Me when never boss, not picking there, he call the treat that say I be animal.
Don't worry, all men are not the same. God will give you man we not the beat woman. God will give you man we not the destroy things for her. Any man where they destroy things, where they scatter for, he get mental problem. That man needs treatment. He needs salt and water, may take wash it. Oh my God bless you.
Okay.
Okay, cope no boko. Or that from where I go, me mental problem. I want no do why no. Because all the streets, all the streets, all me no ruwa. O me mu go am ka preach na me go pa. Ami e we bo no me mu go am. Hello, God bless you.
Hello. My baby. Hello, mommy. I talk me. Hello, mommy.
Hello, sir.
Call mommy. Yeah, mommy. Where's the mommy? Matter na when you wait because of it wrong me but you ni gwe e panoka guamba noka guanoka vie no na advice.
e pala wogora mege guige mo mani ho ima yele ka wa ikbia ma ima yele leru okbia wa because ma ka ye pa gboe e kya ma ye veri ejo wa erugi no we na mi no ma no ge si ya leru de ba samo pa no ka vita we ake bien okbia no mi go yo ma e prayer no bia mi go yo wu ke ya go bia ni manu eru ka bo wa gwi ni no so lo ba la no ri odo no wi je nu odo no wi ra odo no wu ni we o me soro mommy ya mi go yo ma une o wa pretend mi go yo after wa bia ne unyi mo go yeri lati adoga kai e ke na do agbo na ya return a bread here so eze de o ni eru o mi aro me do ba de una orevo na since 2000 since the year 2000 mena be 2009 mena be 2009 mena dorie bene mena ge boga agwalo ona wa unere mena we ijene adase na hin salo ba we mene after ma biene o pe na do fini me ladia ogi ne be no ogi jo wa no na do change for good 3 years mommy for good 3 years mo pe na ro ba kya pagbe imagine no sunu o bo ki sunu na do ba yakoware e kya ki pagbe leru ni we wa so ma gbe de ba me leru mo ki se ni kana pagbe kana ya bioka obipo geva wo se ni kana ri pagbe imagine no si opopa na gba ukpe va na do gba pe va ki gba e no ya we geshe men ogire December de ni po ona ya de ke roba ime de ogba le mi omugun no we geshe ina de geshe no na hin a gift of a Christmas ọgbẹ́ ni wọ́n fún ẹ̀yìn náà fún ẹ̀mí náà ọgbẹ́ ni agbọ̀gẹ́lẹ́ wa rúwẹ́ ẹ̀ ọ̀nàdẹ́kẹ́ ìkàkùnrin mẹ́ka wá ẹ̀bẹ̀gẹ̀ náà dúró yọ iná wà Jesus bẹ́ẹ̀ni wà kàmá mọ́ mi náà wà Jesus bẹ́ẹ̀ náà hín ẹ̀kẹ́ bàbá yẹ́yẹ́ o wíìtì yàn ara lù ẹ̀ náà wọ́n kí ara lù ẹ̀ mọ̀ wẹ̀ ẹ̀ tó yín wẹ̀ yíwẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ dọ̀ wẹ̀ wọ́n kà ziyàn yọ wẹ̀ ẹ̀ wọ́n yà wẹ̀ iná wẹ̀ àwọn dìvì iná wà fún alẹ́rù ina go salo Holy Ghost fire teto inu yare ina deru domo ni bienwe you be e pa mi na kwa o uni ando wa noje enyo asigo kwa o asigo pa eni wore ya hai ori me ina we kero bana mo pa e o me ebo me ma e o de gutai wona mo mi imare to gbegbe aja ibi je mo mu mere ina go ti o se me no vion imate ta ma e we de mi no sunu o so na de ekere wana do ranu do tene na so 2 years wo mo biaro kwa wa mi egbe ina we me no se ke pagbe e no wa surprise me ke roba o ya degun me o se na we agwa ni je lu e ina mama ye lu e ko ti me ve ni ya lu e ya ma we mi ave lu e neti we nye khara be yo to we no ya ni me so do adi ke roba yo
ne no pia ni do ya wo no hi
ya to go no
okay Goyan.
So, ekpe anadogba, okpe ari gbenagba. Ene na meseti enaba sunu ebo ipakpera owa ore mi afekela o gi me against me ni. Besi mi ake ya ku e idoge eba ebetru. Ebi neku ya le o le gai. Ido ti e na no vu ebetru no. Awo eni e wori adok me ya do awu ganno we mana. No re ebetru no we ni ya because me ga ni ya bio e die. Oyi wa red dokma ina wa ari ekela wototo I wa se kela na do vante ya ina do mi ko ba e wa hu e na miss e wa hu ni na vieni na ge mi go ya na vieni we o ku paro ya na agbalo ya na yi so emi ni o ma ga mi ne ku no ru we ina do vio go do ko wa kin na re na hin we gin ne kin na pagbe na no pagbe na wa me gi sefi ke ringi na re yo bo ipa pe rantan Eriginary obere na agwe 3 years na owana owasa maybe 30 years ene na
igwe na wa pay go wa no be to go pay go pa no be to go
mom eri no fear ego wa e social oga asa o mama me donye mama ona winyame ina we amedoge mare ma ona na make na save igo no save ni mom ya mari me ere ma na osalo bua no jime mo no je ore ma na nyele mego ma we nyele mego
oye me mo we go when wa kon le lo bi to go ya na
guy mommy u come no we my the togi u come wa no so after 3 years ina maybe 7 na 3 years ni ma se le o tete then she wa ro okbian ma wo me do mo da we do la wo wa o do ya avio e me ti ma we de so na we me nya se to we nya worry we nya ma nya mo gbe nya we ya ma nya worry problem ona gele do ona do kuma o gi ma o gi threatening me o gi threatening me o wa go we lavia o vo se fo ya ri e school mo o ya block mo you know do tell me have a school you know do okay you know the class no okay the same thing you know ya tell me police you know ya lekere so ya me na do maybe or I want send a text message a threat any day na gbe ni ya je kan ya gbe ni le ya easy guy enyu hu ha eni ya o ka me dok ma mom una we ma no block ya ni ma bia na ni ma on block ya na ki e might we why because a mechanic a police a lawyer you know be block because a threat na do me when do gbon ya me wa me no wa ni block and na do send a big year that's now nigga the area ni je no here like a 100 meter no here me between me come all those there here at the Latin or why give me for good 3 years e ya kon le e ya vie gbe le 3 years ma we kia awo egba ya ro ipapera
na do bia wonu go mari nana do bia wonu go ilele nana
mommy yeah mommy ima ga follow bo ave pa ye that moment then after Myanmar ima ye when you go lo bia o ina wa dori ye ne gbe me for 2 years now in a room no follow ba no yo there yin ebu me o bia no fun e gbo bia ne ya ga me tani e ka ga we ma mo se o bia ne ya ga we ma ye school se o bia no mu me gbo me poke money me o so ba na do ye o wi egbon o wi gbo na do ya blessing me mo me ma ga mi o bia ma
o wi gbo wa ile le nana
me ma ga mi gba no mo ko pepepe me ma ga mi gba no gele mommy oh god imaisha so o si e na we ni ta we eru ni ma ya gwineru eru no solo bari yok ndia no for ma gbere o gba no e monu we bi se for ye ne na ho vie e ma ke do jike ti gbe yan bi oloho eru wa no marriage a tege ya mi go yoko mommy eru no so daddy no kasi mo daddy la e no ri yan mi ya ta di only thing we agmoya agmoya so no now wa no mommy no mommy
hello from Nigeria, God bless you.
Hello Saituye
call Saituye
obota mommy happy birthday
where's J body day
call mommy now we activate testimony me ese no saluba o me se no God of Yore me mommy Yore la talk pe no ba talk pe amen so I give a testimony a testimony me na you never yana wa we marriage a week okpa na wo the 18 okpa na we 20
praise the Lord
America hello
Madam yo, oh my God.
Hello
Madam yo.
So, Mama, hello.
Go on, Madam yo.
Okay. So America market area Nigeria mana wa area utesa mana ya we marriage ni ma ya we ma ya wa ya yo we ni ma ya wa ya ma ya yo wo ya so wa di feke aka ina wa neru na go ya me we ya ko ya neru igibe so wa ina wa be women na wa gba ko da wa ye ko wa every year na wa ya neru jo eni ka bogo go chivo osolo bona wa mudani mana wa yo mana rebo go eni to marriage ona wana wa whole successfully secondly if na before when I know in my before when I don't know God ni my before when I don't know this God of Yore if na before ogobo igala igagbole we gbolo koko gbole ya we manya we marriage awona but nigi ya salobo nigi ya God of Yore ije eni ro pa iro ima ego dosta eri ordinary dosta magbe ije na ka bo wa do pere we na wa do fi ma o una do ri afia gbogo salobo una do ra ma wa ni ma ya no de Jesu we salobo odo yo re gbe ma wa yo mana wa re wo se no sa oba ni me o enikin Mina wani do ruo salon, ido pon salon boa. Il me va on a venive. You want to send the account number. You send the in WhatsApp.
Where record give me. Where can WhatsApp record the government? You make another account secretary no. Call J.
Okay. Where's the mommy?
He me no sunu wagmo. Hello from London.
Hello,
Jay, o side too.
Hello. Mommy, you're attack me.
He said, give me tons.
Oh, mommy. When you wait, why matter now? Why did you make a cup?
Talk where, madam.
Oh, give me why you get there, why you war. Let me a minute, what be no piano, minute.
The level no he.
Oh, yeah, do we, your Coriomo. We Rome. What's Coronigbe? O me kwa bien o me ni bien ni ahwe ya mugo yo elia ya dodo peso ebe se de no ya mugo yo o we amo mo egbe fo na ya wa bere do pa wishin we ni egari Nigeria ge egari Nigeria ni asunu o ma gi bejo ai za do ije me na do de o to je me na do ye na gi wu ni awe ne no gi do we to ko gi do mugo yo no me ke na so to aze do me na do mo egbe na do ari owa me gi bejo wa ari sigi so wa na ari we mugo jo na da na mugo jo na tu na ya na le tere guna ba mi go me na me no takpa mommy o egbe mommy igo na fi ne o ko be marriage ana fi go do ami na pe ana fi go be marriage ni so ma no ti go ni ji
igo na fi be marriage
me pe odo ami na ado ti odo ami la ja na gbe ai ga gbe ni bi ku ni ikuni aga ifigo ne so ma no rego ni
eti ama no ke no rego ni
eti ama no suppose no rego ni mommy
ma dogun ayo oni opagin adota
okay ma agwa yo igo ni anado figo ni iya wi figo ni eteme ni ku na ro and right na le mommy o ave do pono gara va le do beke na le va mommy
ekena na le va sa de noko
wa toje oni na bolo fara aile ra ti na wa mo ra ebe runda go ni me na wu ni
hello mama iya gbeno yo we comment we family work keke no rego ya we family work keke no
okay nje etile gi lego ti iye to bi no bia wo dewo ona wa fun na ask me ti we gonna spend was one le me ko na kana ji dere mortuary me mate ba wu ye dere we na we ke wa bi o me na mi ye na bie na we a ma gem go jo na we you o ma no ti wo to ja o ya me do ku e me ke do ku se fi a we gbe ike do wa ko mar 3 etiona le kitene na ba me go ni ona to sie zo ve derio we no ti ye to bi wa ha me ti we go na film ma mi ye we no ti me na mure o ti na ma we ha wa ke ti na ma to ba ni 3 mu ti azari jime o ya na agbina we suppose ni uje ni wa to ta ni ya le kitene pina
when I did that ama na o ma re line na e tu ma go ma gun ami line
ma
hello gun ma no tie direct no e to ma go ma gun ami line
okay
na da tu ma go ma gun ami line no go ma gun ami line o so wa na wo na mi hello gun
de ya imani na to mi we zo we duaro ina le ya himi avije o li se beria e na wa we marriage ba mommy o piana me mama no do we soto ni jime e mama no do we soto ma soto egbe yi ti ewe a o da fu wa wo
o pianu bio menena ma soto
ma soto mommy mommy o me ni me hi tana nu le ma ave ku me ku ajite mi ta me hi u manana mami no do soto esime na tio da fuere ton da even jaro etio pa mareva o wa be ti le li mari mo tori ya bujene re ya pari wa o ma soto egbe iwe ni me ti ere mi na do se na we Agbati we owani me ha me gbagi yere keni ana le ra na odo mu le miti. No mu le miti no mutere e Saturday bo the next day. Imana itu omara mado soto egbe na woke iya ewe opia iyo won to na opia mu go yomo. Emi na ya soto ya ni ya viore. We ma emi e viore ito yana fia mego. Iya we no ya de no mana de are ba ni ye hi. We omare mana yana fia mego ina ga vie. Etemena dokume ga imi ya mana do imi ya ke do mieme emi mieme na fiore opia na be re pe omare kwa Saturday wo obre yana to agile kunego na fine bi kweti kushime be peria one naira no kan se momi opia na wa view
ona wa vigo ya ba view are
momi me bali fineni yana we mitire o ogibe mu mitire kigo ni mitifike yani amena wa rovedro amena kwigo na sigo ni ai ana amaeka be me ya edagi pe bo betem montevo we ni hiamu ni medo ya julane udare yo momi ni medo ya julane ini Sunday bo ona pe me wa ko ere wo kiaso owa yu pe me nyame wa o wi ha kama na ga we po majena we bo ma voice we bo ma ke ari wa ya kama na ga we po majena o wa ma wa me se mo na ga yin la wo ke se mo aje we po us e peria us le va we ti da mu je me o to we ada mu je me o to no kan e bo o ri pe me fo na be Sunday bo mo te we ni hiam ni mo gbe ni to le yin ari e wo ya ni ya ju la e na ga me we no sorry ijo o ya na si me ari ke gbe abi ti o e ya na gba mo pa le mi ya na gba ya na te le gbe me ma me o ti no jo ga ita o wa mu me mo me ne me no pio me ne na mu me mo me ne o ti ye me no wa ye na ogwa lo okwe 1000 de ne ye wa fi one be no ye na mo na nia ye sis me you la wa ga ya pio ti wa wa se we to wa ya we ti ni e na wa fi amero me wa be mu gbe imu egbe wa hiamu ye ma ya wa we ko so we pe se ke ni mo ni
se la ni cut a shot won
si ofo na mo me we na we pe se ke ni mo ni general se ke ni ma je
wa le di ma ri ro with 4 children mi lo yo wo hun
that over you wa makele but that over you wa ga mu go yo when onna na ya we ni me you to ajula na me se you plan we ma so toni ji me run toni we na we marriage mo me oni me we na ko me ko we sa we emi pe me don effect o ma so toni ji me run toni na we marriage iya we ni me to ya ajula ni ya geri ya we eri ya gi we de ya but ori ma we de kuma le tax so toni jo aso ton oh we good mo go jumo we go no ma mu jo mo for more than 12 years
hi
ije ne gi ne umare ma o ya ma we umari yo go ma we respect them ora ko we ma we respect them they when me do are respect them ku we me na we me de u mana e na so we me ta u ke o wa we so wo ku na we ro yo ma no jula ne e so no be tema sa we o pe we ri oni ro ma pa da we ni be to we me mo mi ye wa re ku we ikun ajo
go we se o side we
come on
ye ka vi igi mo ko li wo ka gun ne o yi mo ko lo gba ba le na wa ka gun ne iwere gbe ko e ma be ve la ni o ma no me ka gun oko wa ka gun ne no yi mo ko lo parun eva re de be na
3.
Hello, God bless you. Were gbe ti ola yin speaker ni era me ga bi mi sun bu wa gbon
Mommy, your society well. They want that. 3.
Hello, God bless you from France. Hello. Hello, I'm Enuta.
Hello, mommy, your side.
Dans le fond, ouais, j'ai un.
But talk me. Or Tana near Tara, Mary, away. He may only overdo. Team vio mole. He don't imagine a tabe with the taji. I give me momigo. He may out. Moyari, ya, mamigo yasa. Yanak beva. Se bogiami. Yana gbe.
Hello from France. Hello.
Morie ya.
Hello from Italy. Hello.
Hello, mommy, you're going to talk, man.
He said.
3.
Hello.
Hello, mommy, Osati. Well, good evening, ma.
God bless you.
Mommy, concerning the question where that woman asked just now, I want to talk to for the marriage matter. That woman, if you want to do marriage, you know, say, make quarrel, no confess for the cooking matter. If you want to do marriage, you know, say, make problem, no come for the marriage. You go, if you want cook, you go cook for the house, for the woman house, the man house, they will still cook for them. Because when I do my marriage, we cook for my house, they can still cook for my husband house. You understand? Problem no come, this one no come, I say bring food, this one no come, say I can't bring food. And secondly, for the money aspect, now the man people, now they pick money. Your woman people don't fit pick money. Why? Because that money when they want pick, now the man husband, now the man people, now you want follow go house. You not go follow your people. You not go your husband house today now. Your coffee come back and say make they come bring money. And for family, if that money don't enter the woman, they not go release them. You understand? Now the man family, because for family, if they won't do marriage, the family know they assist their sister. You understand? Now the man family now is supposed to pick money because now my wife say they do example. When I do my marriage, now my husband people now I pick money.
Okay.
And my people don't look. They don't say the money not concern them. Now my husband people now they pick money. Now when I get to contribute, mommy. Thank you, mommy.
God bless you. Grandma, the say so say it's not true. Now lie.
3.
They say na lie. See comment. Hello.
Hello, me you talk there.
He say outside where.
About talk there. Come on. Mommy, ekola no go aba e on reply. A marriage, a family no ya ti ro ego lele. Family no ko ro ego. Iya ro ya mu no tinya de no o tinya se do mu na awai iya gbagai because how marriage no ya re no ko ri normal level. But okay, a family no better. If family no better, the family no go level because who are doing we no go, who are doing you who are doing no go, who are loyal to a no go. When who have oh have we? Challenge. Okay, we will be a holiday. No ma a holiday. We no go holiday. But not be I still live when be a here. It's been a living when I live in Upia. I live on the Bokeh, but I live on the way to make food. If I'm not worried, then if I'm not the other way, oh, yeah, you go at while you go, lawyer. While you are in the bed, who are doing the other good work. I'm going to go, mommy, eh?
Okay,
come on, me.
Because a boy and you go now, one more boy series of a marriage. Okay, can now what conclude so that one no me marriage. No wa make na he. I always say then na we no ko ewuje din o, na we no pe awujo. Hello from Italy. Wa lo esaju wa.
2.
Hello.
Hello. Mommy, you talk there.
He say.
Come, mommy. Ọ̀rọ̀ ni mi agwa nba. Depends so. Lórí gbọ́ marriage, exactly ní pé ọ̀rọ̀ go cause sáré no do ríje no do big gbọ́ marriage. Wo kan we marriage. Iyan wa tell we caution yan rego, mama yo bo kan.
Obi ọ̀rọ̀ we do no.
Nema oni bete sáré no dion big gbọ́ marriage. Ọ̀kan we marriage yan wa ta ibi gbọ́ ke kore. Iyan we yan rego, mama yo bo kan go. Awa si en awa rego yan bi yan pa. Yan wo ma wa de ma wa ba kini wa je yan wa re go because I wish I just we yan obi gbo the magic
that go talk. Okay, my dear. We get marriage. O ko pa no esi wa gbon. So then I was time no one man so that even me to be me have a learning why you me we marriage. So that here our marriage when you make na gini awe kia. Be vogi me o. Na gbada na time ata me here our marriage. Imi avie ma no rego. Esa da ogwa me rego. Esa de teme rego. Ide ma gwa ni gwa retin ipe igo ni ya. Me prefer me pay 100,000 I rego ma mu me. Wa ikuni afone ye mo yomobo. Na order for me ave mo yobo. My va my kodo gwege ni my yawo I can't tell any me prefer very a family we ga rego o ga 1 million ga 200 ni ya munu a family no be ga rego o ga 300 ni ya finu ye mo 50,000 we ore wo gi me o no wa ta na even me ya wo gi me mi arete ma no rego egbe me lava egbe no pe ave lava igwa ni ya figo Hello, from Italy.
Hello.
Hello, Lord, where was you are watching, man?
Yeah, I don't know her. I don't know her. Not you. Hello, mommy.
Hello, God bless
Hello.
you.
Hello.
You don't know I'm Hello, God bless you. Noise is too much. Hello.
Three.
Hello, from France. Hello.
Hello, come on me.
One low
Come on me live.
O site where.
Mommy Jore I talk be. Baba I talk be. Come on me. Mommy, he send like how ten euro no WhatsApp. It's WhatsApp.
Yo, when I send the baba na. Oh, where's wa ma? Where's
And in I send 25 euro, 55 euro. No see na run 5. Like no.
What no so.
Run 5.
Egi o na akwa ya niki. Wa we no we gbe wa send ya gun go gbe ba ko dey 10. Won?
Okay, mommy.
Hello, God bless you.
Hello?
Hello, God bless you.
God bless you, mommy. Pray for mommy. Site where mommy.
Site where.
Mommy, if you don't say they not call it, they did not call it, but where Origbo. Wa marry Origbo. Oh, Origbo rego. Okay, no Origbo me marry. Marego. Origbo me marry.
Okay.
Marego. Oh, we ma na le vai. Origbo iya na tagu yo garego. Origbo me marry. Origbo me bien na e France meje.
Okay.
Which guy Origbo rego how?
Where's so
Ma rego wo him.
Site where. Where's so?
Ma rego nei ma iya na jeni ni ko ni ma lo wi mi na to pa ma lo Igbo ma na ri eke ma ya ri e ma ka ri e Igbo.
Go site where. Okay like na le noro. Working me o. Low site where. Hello from Jamie.
Hello, side where mommy.
Mama gbenu ya gun ma lo owo e wojo emi time every day. He must to when.
3.
Hello from France.
Hello.
Hello, God bless you.
Hello, mommy Jore I talk be.
He said.
Okay, the marriage now, the family man, it's very complicated. For me, the marriage, but originally, no way marriage, you have to agent originally not be away marriage, the family of Bukae or Revo, or Wabukae, and I'll live aí. Man, the later beside the man. You understand? He might feel like, I'm not in my the family of Bukae. Ana wale dai ogwo ka ana wale dai oge dai oge go na ro ibije ni ku obewu ibije mo rego ibije mo wa be rego nya ade to mi asa igbafa ibije mo rego nya ko emu go nya munu ade munu ibije mo pa dem ni bo nya set bari o se ni ado ibije wa na rego e truck na ro se ibije yara emu go we o munu Wala da fún ọ̀rẹ́ kòkò mú, ẹ̀yẹ́ wọ́n da fún ọ̀rẹ́ kòkò mú ní ìrọ̀rùn gbogbo àmì wúwà. Ẹ̀yẹ́ mẹ́rin, ọ̀nà mẹ́rin sáré kan tó ti ọ̀bọ̀n.
Ó sáì tí wẹ̀. Ó máa ná ló ọgbẹ́ òdò, má chọ́gbọ́ àmúwá. Hello?
Hello, mommy, ó sáì tí wẹ̀, mommy.
Ó sáì tí wẹ̀.
Hello?
Gwa.
Hello, mommy.
Gwa. So the meleza get talk over to avoid problem. Anybody know with marriage? Vogimeo, in my own opinions, in my own idea, it's better our rent same anorego. I wife ye bogdi gadi ha. Iya mudiakia. So that a sudden okbia. Iya mungedia. A sudden okwo.
3, 6.
Need there was happening. So that a sudden okwo. Iya mungedia. Wada me yo. Because some magazine wa obelok panya when have developer. Then a wa munave ketality abe ketality watia ya ni goma leva na ketality atia he wa munave ketality wa ga munave ketality then wa do ri go kere uri enegbu wa ya lewu wo wa wa ri go kere uri enegba we tun ya lewu wo wa be na wa gariku wa munave ketality abe ketality ya tia ya no leva e no ma e ketality ya ti wa tia ketality no na bi mata ise wa correct me do magba ketality atiya awiya na mwe na no leri wa mu na be ketality de 200,000 no uri ni video ya le ba be sadiya de 200 are mo gbe wo o were no pa de 2 million no pa de na be ketality ni ya ko wa le ba e iya wa be mu ati ye je uniform iya wa be gaba ni ya abe ketality yera awa be de body guard for wa be vio ekia simple then ni mo speaker ide anybody no ogun a o lo ogwe wa lo e beside you every time you tag we load that some dey it now no man lo ori amogo mare what to wa cause confusion very easy. Hello, ketality in your door my go mu ide ne in your door my mu better people no get register or illegal one ya yo botie. Hello, God bless you.
Hello. Hello, Damio.
Idamio.
Call you me wa ma wa mure na wa can avoid interesting. Me ti love ye him no wa kana wa can avoid very very interesting. Okay, marriage ni atane ante gonje.
Madam yo.
We call tell here we are telling who quite down we say a marriage depends on individual. I hear marriage we no ro book be ro book. Okay, no do regoni. One we love for here regonu wa ko here regonu wa. Okay, book be no e book orego ere marriage we yon na o ka. Okay, right near leni. Alividoe no kukiri, alividoe no bia. Na ya ga ni amunari ketra. Oni ga general food. Wa gule bo book bia le bo boku. Egbe be vania ere. Egbe no ku ya igbo boku ya ne. Egbe no bia. Ya igbo boku ya ne ya danyo we ya ne ya ngone. Eni igbo kan be do bobo wa ni ya. Agule wo beva. Eri ya we marriage. Ogi go no ro ni agu ya o tinkemi go be marriage me o. Igo no royal fifo de ka memye ya demi by no ade ni no ri ya we no awo everybody ya here go na filiko won ga na be so ro no wa go ni no go do ni na we marriage I don't dig go na fi no ya we marriage a marriage e mi ogogo no it's a life thing we ga go na filiko na we ya we marriage e da mi so ma mo do na we marriage it's a life thing you go na filiko ni in here go no ma bu ka me owe ma ya duk mo back mo ya de limini de kan do wa bi ya de mi yuwa okwo no na le ko na ma le okwo be dey ko egbo duk me va duk me ha we se egbo we so we ba ya complete ke na we marriage again oni mu ni igo ni agi le lo kirikiri ya we marriage oge be duk ya mu go la wa ko mu go lo wa re marriage video okwo obe va na live en wa ya ga wa it mo kitra ye do len wa generally on e kitra ne eju dogo no ko iya ile odo ino gbeyele in wa ida a family wa re ni egbe no ko mo si gbo bo kan yan ka jon no wedding ade ba bo mo so go ni obo ya na je go bi obo e obo ko ni ile ya we marriage yin be total ne egbe no gbe ta wa bo wa o egbo bo wa ni yan ile ya we marriage ke ba pa e woni fun e wo wa o mu go yo hun ne we ya di wiko su wiko o ma no ewu e mo no ege ko ema no e ti gwere go sister mi gumere go no rego na wa go no kun ai mu no we no gba we no awigo e de to afia no ko ni o de to ari owo yen be to bi me si ai no wo kin me ko ma ni de ni go
okay padà yo we se
o ayo marriage ju video ano mo ma no ka ge mo ma no ri go ri wa
okay ko we so everybody no me record ya marry who will learn one the case of tomorrow hello John hold on waiting our marriage when we marriage a 20 a family way a side to what they do normally say they suppose say what even what groove they DJ no what what we live maize anybody know that we a sister we marriage a brother we marriage now you can be any ane erioke ke no ya je no wa gbe ya wa jodo enoko e ba ege wa po o form of no bia e sa do ge wa ri o for me o menya akweberio but I live ma kere live ma hello site we
mommy site we
site we
ze mommy marriage ni aka na emi akwanji na gbegeleje na ye ko ni ri yawo wa ge aro e marriage na first summer do ya hu di jo ma go ero ma go na make to so to those kind e marriage na kare na san ze okay that ameni o ko ni ana le ra e marriage ne eri ana leje we atanu ji de no ko on e love geleje le ra to ni no we e start that when after the kill that le vie manze maybe ya that meet today okay ande na I want the right guy I want the Lord that carry the no that for me nya ga ya re kula nya ba to niya wala ni tamo
hello Jamio lami we ma clear
ni adio niya agabe le da start no ko o ma mi no clear o ma mi ni wa le dai e da ni sati wa the door because when no ko we marriage they no clear the way marriage get a person na in the hour akoko we ano go na be roni e kana na mu go no ko ji e kana na mu go jo hu kana you mo ya gwa o na ka do pay price o ge o bi pa o na ka do gbe la dia e go na be tilera wo bi ma o go ne do pe ade nya e go ne do ko be nya e abi ko ma gbe ku le we ni aka do mu go yo wo hu yan nya ne igo nu we nya igo na ti nu we bi da e we ga gbe ku o ni o hu e ekena we go your man who ego ni o go dey yan because ene next be you egbera iya de the property ni na ya de wo wodo ai we go your man who ni e de ni ade no na ya de wo wodo ara ke ya bu baba area iya to bi na egboda fun we iya ya bi yi moto ego na si no man ni ba mu mo go ma mu ba pay price ade ri fo no gbikule lo man iya na yo ya ga go ni go ni re o gwa re o da fo we na si no ri dai oh, good. So another topic, but not say marriage because they don't go no. A marriage is na first summer. They will not come on your radio. So after purpose was say marriage. Then they start the work to see. You don't need personal activity because why so what talk by money.
So I will say now. Yare ne ikuota. Losi and wana mwa ogu wari court. Ugahe umwe every marriage is okay. Mabege blotima no do guapa ebe no tane o wa ya hin awari. Wa no me we marriage. E blotani no we marriage ba. No we marriage ba ebe no ta o no we marriage. Ari figo ni na mu no wo kiye o wa ya ari. Ona go be no bia ilekere wa mu ne ketra. So wa ri bute ofo. No, I wear a bit to a form of fair, man, on that topic. So, a topic in Yale Murena. Uga moro where are your courts? Uga would your ballet be no way. Don't tell me, ma, the reason una way. What's here? What motivates when we are more? Are your courts? What motivates when we are to your ballet bene? Oh, we are no beer now. My only no see it. No one am your court. My only no see it. One at your ballet benia. God bless you. So okay, marriage is okay like that. Why more marriage re? Topic ni mure nano. Why more marriage re?
3.
Imagine it okay marriage. If you not say when I'm every why you cut it, no na. Your marriage is over. Hello. Me man what take bon wa la me ho. So only me wa we pick. What's here when I'm married you wa je cut on here no. No more marriage case again. Marriage case is over. Hello, no more marriage case. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, God bless you. What's when I'm married why you caught all the topic you know now. Okay, marriage is phone.
Mommy, you about talk
He said.
Come on me. Mommy la every tunia me bawe.
Oh man, I would say me go day 11 work way. What?
Oh. You mommy. Come on me, wait.
What's when I'm married why you caught all the topic you know now. Okay, marriage is over. I retire. Hello. That's why I want
to talk
topic in up for he said.
Come on, fact you mommy. Mommy, I met up on topic in for na so any be am you could be am treat mommy. I'm my conclude on you.
I marriage now what do they
you want to trust you only want to take care.
Okay, you don't see any
treat me oh
man go met na conclude. One my hair. So, okay, equipment of our lads where we agbian
3, 6.
All equipment of our lads with the agbian. You only conclude marriage is over. I'm weary. Hello.
Come on, me outside to
where? Outside to where?
Yeah, mommy. Are you?
Go on. What's another number? Where are you caught? Hello.
Mom, you are caught too.
Only men know and I'm door why go call.
Oh, because we can't call now. Cater with the other woman. Where is okay. Oh, we go near me. Oh,
it's okay. Only
witness say.
Mama tell them, my was any and I go look why you kill. You want a marriage is over. Well, I want a great door boy on no imalake. Then what time where you talk marriage? Why where they call? I thought you talk marriage. The up piano make a jump. Ara gele we na tie o piano make a jam or collective marriage o piano make a jam a gele we na tie love na gele aro no ko origo ni se ana we na to no gele we 100% right no muge marriage o ku ko se dead no e dogo no to okpa yen gbere ne. A bless you again, no better. Even Yanoreva, okay, one. Oh, we ever ye know or that for a right no. Oh, we have a water from a Gaya Muye back or Gaya Rioto or Gaya Kanwa. Not for their goods. But oh, we are what we are daily goods. Okay, what we know. Oh, what we right if we go na Fiviku. But if we go na Fiviku na or Siezo no quiet Benny Boom. Ije no pia. Oga igemi mami go